Dr. Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Simply Avante. Always forward. All right, so the next stretch I want you to do, myofascial stretch, is actually for shoulder internal rotation. So if you notice you have restriction with turning your arm in or putting a bra on or putting a hand behind your back, this is such a great stretch. What I want you to do is have your feet about 6 inches off the wall, turn the hand in, palm is gonna be touching the wall. From here, I like to sit my butt back a little bit. Now, if you look at my posture, I'm trying to avoid the stretch. My body weight's coming forward. So from here, get the chest up nice and tall, right? Get up as high as you can. Now from here, turn your head left as far as you can. And then once you start feeling the stretch and you want to increase the stretch, move your legs to the left side. So I'm moving my legs this way on the left side, and I'm rotating my head as far as I can to the left. And I want you to breathe 6 to 10 breaths. That should take you between 30 and 60 seconds, and breathe only from the nose. Good, and then gently come out of that stretch. Now we do the other side as well. Same concept. Palm against the wall. My chest wants to roll forward, but I'm going to open up my chest to get a deeper stretch into the shoulder. Now from here, turn your head all the way to your right. And just breathe from the nose. 6 to 10 breaths, about 30 to 60 seconds worth of work. Now, this is going to feel really tight in the shoulder for a lot of people. Some people might not even feel the stretch, but for a lot of you, you're going to start feeling it. If the pain goes above a 5 or 6 while doing this, and it remains, don't do the stretch.